Welcome to Tech Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download ChatGPT on your Windows laptop or desktop computers. Now, ChatGPT is an AI tool by OpenAI that makes your life easier. So, downloading it will make your life more easy. So, to download it, just follow my steps. At first, just go to your taskbar and open up the Microsoft Store. If you don't have your Microsoft Store pinned here, just go to search and search for Microsoft Store. From the best matches, you'll find it. Just click on open. Then in here, from the search bar, just type ChatGPT. And you'll find ChatGPT app here. Just click on it. Then just wait for it to load. Then you need to click on Get. After that, it will download and install it for you. Just patiently wait. And after it has been downloaded, you can just click on Open. You can minimize your Microsoft Store right now. Then ChatGPT will open. It will ask you to log in or sign up. If you have an account, then just click on login or else just sign up for your new account. I'm gonna log in. And after logging into your account, you can use your ChatGPT from here. And that's basically it. And that is how to download ChatGPT on your Windows laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.